And welcome back. We kick things off with some football. Head coach of Waterhouse FC, Marcel Gale, says with a long layoff from football, it's important for the team to start well in their CONCACAF Club League game against Haitian club Arcahai FC at the Stadium East Field on Thursday.
After 8 months of the last ball being kicked in a match in Jamaica, football is less than 24 hours of returning. Well, on Thursday, Waterhouse will be the first local team to give fans a taste of what they will be missing, even though they are not allowed at the game. But while Waterhouse may be hampered by a lack of preparation, coach Marcel Gale, who was speaking at a press conference, says the team is looking forward to the contest, having not played for the last 8 months.
As you know, the pandemic is from March, and a lot of things have changed then and now. So we're still preparing for the last time we see them, and any little thing we go on in the game, we just have to make adjustment and go out there and play.
A year ago, Waterhouse played another Haitian team in Herediano in the round of 16. But Gale says there's nothing to take from that game ahead of this one.
We're pretty much confident, but the reality is, we haven't played competitive football in quite a while, and so all that what you said has already gone, and this is a new day, a new game. It's much different now because the pandemic. So we just have to go there again, as I said, and make necessary adjustments before we can go there.
And for those who will be tuning in to the live stream, Waterhouse's captain Sean Laws says they will be in for some attractive football come Thursday.
I will consider my team a ball-moving team, and we put the ball around, play it around. So for those who are watching the game for the first time, I hope they enjoy our style of football playing. The coaches set their instruction, and we have to follow and adjust on each game. Each game we have to approach it differently. So on the day, we can play a different style. So it's up to the coach and instruction.
Thursday's spectator-free game is set to kick off at 6 p.m. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.